The female police officer gave her terminally ill mother a miracle cancer drug confiscated from a shady doctor. But the next second, her mother clutched her stomach in agony. Unable to bear the pain, she suddenly coughed up a mouthful of blood. With trembling lips, she whispered an apology to her daughter. But before she could finish, she lost consciousness completely. Seeing this, the officer broke down, believing the drug had killed her mother. The doctor nearby couldn't help but scold her, saying the origin of the drug was unknown, and if she hadn't rushed it, she might have had a few more days with her mother. The officer knelt on the ground in tears, clutching her mother's cold hand, swearing to make the shady doctor pay the price. Meanwhile, the shady doctor was standing trial in court. The forensic expert claimed his cancer drug contained large amounts of poison, but the doctor argued confidently, saying toxic ingredients didn't mean the drug was harmful. Traditional medicine could turn poison into cure, and the toxins in his formula would naturally break down in the digestive system, causing no harm to the body. While the crowd murmured in doubt, the police officer stormed into the courtroom, accusing the doctor of lying, saying it was his drug that had just taken her mother's life. She then described every detail of what happened, emotionally declaring she would testify and personally send him to hell. The doctor was stunned to hear someone had died, insisting the drug couldn't be lethal. He claimed the reaction might have been a temporary coma, and the patient would wake up soon. But the officer shouted back in rage, saying her mother's body was already in cold storage at the morgue. There was no way she could wake up, and now the doctor had to pay. Many patients in the courtroom grew emotional, demanding the death penalty. In the end, based on the available evidence, and to calm the outrage of the victims, the judge sentenced the doctor to death effective immediately. But the doctor still insisted he was innocent, and said his drug was the last hope for cancer patients. Yet no one believed him. Little did they know, his miracle drug actually worked, and the officer's mother had only passed out. She wasn't dead at all. Their ignorance not only doomed the doctor, but nearly cost them their own lives by rejecting the drug. Just then, the company manager announced to the judge that the doctor's drug would be destroyed, but the doctor pleaded again, saying the drug could extend patients' lives. No one believed him, until the manager received a sudden phone call. The company had just succeeded in developing an upgraded version of the miracle drug. He shared the news with everyone, but the doctor sneered coldly, saying even if they stole his formula, they wouldn't be able to recreate the drug. Furious, the manager accused him of slander and requested immediate execution. The punishment began. The crowd cheered, thinking justice had been served. Then the doctor's medicine was destroyed, but the very next moment, the sick patients watching began showing severe symptoms.